Hi guys, in this guide, I'm gonna be showing you how to organize your Google tasks effectively. So as you can see here in the right side of my screen, I have a number of lists that is still disorganized. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make them into a manageable system. So head into the main interface of your Google Calendar and then switch to tasks. And as you can see here, these are the original My Task list. So we want to create a number of lists where we can group these tasks based on how they are classified or similarity in activities. So head into the main menu and simply click create your list in the left side. So as you can see here, family chore day, family game night, family movie night can be classified as a list of family lists. We then hit done, and then we want to create another list since some of these tasks can be considered as part of family lists like manage things, set up a financial report, and proofreading research paper. So let's create another list and let's name it as work list. And now we are not done. We will be dragging this task into their classified list. So we want to move any family task into the family list. And then for the work list, and that's it. As you can see, I have already classified this task into their family list and work list. But how to move this task again if we want to do them? So I just simply drag them again and move them into the My Task, which is the main task viewer in Google Tasks. So let's head into our Google Calendar, and as you can see here, it is more neatly looking and we can manage them effectively because of the approach that we did earlier. Also, you can browse on the list and see them or add a task. And that's it for our guide today. We have completed organizing this task effectively to be more organized and be more manageable. So thank you for listening.